guys, and welcome to today's not perfume video. So as you know, the main focus of my content is on fragrances. However, I've been really wanting to throw in videos that are related to fashion and makeup and to share with you this mascara hack that I learned a few years ago and have been wanting to share with all of you for years. So finally I sat down to talk to you about the secret product that will prevent your mascara from smudging and ruining your makeup. Because we all know how frustrating and annoying it is when you have full face of beautiful, flawless makeup and the last step is to put on mascara that gets everywhere, smudges, transfers, and that's not a pretty situation. So to prevent that, you can include my favorite extra product into your routine and it will change your mascara game like it did mine. So if you want to find out more about it, then please keep on watching. And I learned about it thanks to my friend that was actually in Ukraine. She stayed over and in the morning she did her makeup and I saw her applying this product right before her mascara and I was so interested in it, and she told me that it works like magic. Mascara doesn't transfer, doesn't smudge, it stays in place on your lashes all day long, and I was so curious about it. Of course, I needed to try it, and once I did, I was amazed, you guys, because I've never had such a perfect mascara day in my entire life, because I've been struggling from mascara uncomfortable situations my whole life, basically because I have this very special eye shape and it is very challenging to put on mascara without getting to my skin and stuff. So you'll see how it works. I'll show you the demo, but now let me tell you what that magic stuff is, and that is this mascara primer that is called Advanced Volume E by the brand Evelyn. And I got it in Ukraine for the first time, but then when I came back to Germany I ordered it from Amazon. It is very affordable and it works, and the great thing is that it doesn't only make sure that your lashes are primed and your mascara can grab to something, but also it takes care of your lashes, because this is also a growth activator, and believe it or not, but I've noticed significant difference in the length of my lashes. Also, let me tell you something about my natural lashes. So they have soft curl to them and they are quite long. However, the tips of my lashes, they are completely blonde, so I can't even see how long they are until I applied mascara. So this is how it looks. It is white. I really love the applicator because it grabs every lash and primes it. And don't be afraid when your lashes are completely white, because once you put your favorite mascara on, your lashes are volumized, they are long. It's just such a beautiful priming situation that this stuff does, and it creates beautiful body that mascara goes onto. And my favorite one at the moment is affordable drugstore mascara from the German brand Essence. It's called I Need a Miracle. It has this volumizing and strengthening formula and also lash tinting complex, because you know I need it in order to make my lashes black. So now I want to show you the demo, and if you have any questions regarding these products, let me know them in the comments. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it, please share it with your friends, and of course subscribe to my channel for more makeup, fashion, and of course perfume related videos. If you have any requests about makeup, about fashion or perfumes, please let me know it. Please let me know your feedback. What do you think about this idea, me talking about my makeup hacks? If you are interested in the makeup I have on today, all the information is going to be in the description box. Check it out, and you can also share your favorite makeup techniques and mascara hacks with all of us. I've tried a few different ones. I've tried a few different primers. Even within Evelyn line, there are some other ones, but nothing beats this one. So I swear by this stuff, and I would like to know your opinion in the comments. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned, smell good. We'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.